Hey guys, it's Caleb from CalebTime. So today I am going to show you how to make gradient text. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to want to do, you are going to put in your background. So for example, like that, and you're going to make a new layer for the text. Then I'm just gonna write that. Then you're gonna press S 4 times. So press the button S on your keyboard 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll get to the magic wand tool. And you want that tool. Because then you hold control and then click. So you have to make sure you're holding control and then click on all of the text that you want to select to be gradient. Okay, and then you click on this layer. You can let go of control, but let go of control before you click on it, and then press the button delete. And then you go up to here, Control A delete, and then you drag that down there, and then you can put in the colors that you want, and then there you go. Or if you want, or for example, if you want more text gradient, then you can take this tool by pressing S once, and then you can do that. And then, like, say you wanted more text like it, then you could do that. Oh no, then you could do that, and then you could do, that. Oh, that. And you could do. Oh no. Then, just that. Then you could do that, and then you could do the same thing again. Do the same thing again. Wait, but except you delete them, and then you go down here, and no, what the heck? And if the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, then just select your random tool menu. And then you do that, and you do that, and then back, and then there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.